Very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to start a new topic today for live session. Before I should start this session, I would brief you something about Unacademy. This is basically. Before I should start this session, I would brief you something about. Thank you XYZ. Thank you Modular 5 for joining my session. I would also request you to like my session and hope you will enjoy for next half an hour. Let me give you some information related to the Karnataka CET Unacademy platform. Unacademy is India's the biggest platform ever. So Unacademy is India's the biggest platform. Uh, if you want to join, Unacademy is the one of the biggest portal for online virtual classroom teaching, and it is a wonderful job here by the management of Unacademy who is providing coaching at a very reasonable price to all the students preparing for medical engineering CET in India. I would like to brief you something about the program. If I'm talking of the program, there's a 1 year program, best plan for the Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. 12 months plan is available, 12,375, that is 1,031 rupees per month. If you are going for the 6-month plan, the cost for this plan is 10,125, 1,288 rupees per, it is going to cost you 1,288 rupees per month. For 1 month program, the cost is again 2,250, and that is only for the new subscribers. What you are getting? Comprehensive batches is live. Complete syllabus preparation. Complete syllabus preparation. After this price, what you are getting? Premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing session, quizzes at regular interval for self-analysis, batch for complete preparation, test series for DPP, full-length mock, etc. with analysis, single subscription for unlimited access, and don't forget to use this code. This code Ashish Live will give you 10% discount. Like me, enroll yourself for this particular course, use this code and get a 10% off on the total fee and get a virtual coaching from at Unacademy platform. Thank you very much, Bacho. How are you? Hope everything is going well. Let us start equilibrium. for today is equilibrium. And what equilibrium exactly meaning? I'm just going to start give you tips for this topic itself. When the process is going in two ways, that is forward direction as well as backward. Forward direction as well as backward direction. When I am talking of equilibrium, equilibrium equilibrium A and B. This is forward, this is backward. इधर से इधर भी जा रहे हैं and we are also coming back to this side. आगे भी जा रहे हैं, पीछे भी जा रहे हैं. ये forward हो गया, ये backward. When the process in equilibrium, we will use this sign. Let us tell you. Now I'm coming to chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, if for an example, and there are the two type of equilibrium in chemicals. One is called physical equilibrium, and second type is called chemical equilibrium. I mean to say physical equilibrium, suppose ice melt to water. Ice melt to water liquid. And it also freezes. This is forward. This is backward. तो इधर से इधर भी हम जा रहे हैं, इधर से इधर भी जा रहे हैं, फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड दोनों डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. Another example can be, अगर मैं वाटर लिक्विड से वाटर वेपर्स में जा रहे हैं, वेपर्स, there also will cause equilibrium between these two situations, and such equilibrium is called physical equilibrium. Now I am coming to chemical equilibrium. The term chemical equilibrium अगर मैं केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम की बात करूं तो क्या होगा बच्चों? सपोज करो N2 combines with H2 to give you ammonia. Ammonia gas. N2 gas when combined with H2 gas gives you ammonia gas. This is an example of chemical equilibrium. Similarly, SO3, which is decomposed to SO2 plus O2. This is again example of chemical equilibrium. One more, I take an example. N2O4 decomposed to twice NO2. This is again chemical equilibrium. These are the such examples of chemical equilibrium. Now, how does equilibrium comes? I'm going to concentrate on that. How does an equilibrium comes? Law of mass action says mass action says that rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of reactants raised to stoichiometric coefficients. For example, A moles of A when reacts with B moles of B gives you product to power A power B. Here K is constant. K is a constant rate constant. If concentration of A equals to concentration of B, then rate of constant की value होगी rate of reaction R equals to K. That is the value of rate constant is equals to rate of reaction. The value of rate constant is equals to the rate of reaction, chemical reaction. Now I take a complete reaction. I take a complete reaction and then look forward to equilibrium constant. For an example, A moles of A A moles of A when reacts with B moles of B gives you C moles of C plus D moles of B. Then there it is equilibrium reaction. Kf is the rate constant for forward direction. Kb is rate constant for backward direction. Rate of chemical reaction will be equals to Kf A raised to the power A plus into B raised to the power B. Rate of forward reaction. Rate of backward reaction will be equals to Kb A C raised to the power C and D raised to the power B. At equilibrium, rate of forward reaction will be equal to rate of backward reaction. That means we can say that Kf A raised to the power A, B raised to the power B equals to Kb C raised to the power C, D raised to the power B. Kf upon Kb equals to C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D upon A raised to the power A, B raised to the power D. This is called equilibrium constant. This is called equilibrium constant. So K equals to Kf upon Kb, that is concentration of C raised to the power C, concentration of D raised to the power D upon concentration of A raised to the power A, concentration of B raised to the power B. K is constant equilibrium constant. K is what? Equilibrium constant. Constant. And its value is concentration of C raised to the power C, concentration of D raised to the power D upon concentration of A raised to the power A, concentration of B raised to the power B. This is the formula for equilibrium constant. Now let us tell you. In case of equilibrium taking place in solution or liquid phase, concentration of any reactant A will be equals to number of moles upon volume. Number of moles of A upon volume of container. That is number of moles of A. Number of moles of A upon volume of container. Volume of container. Okay. If If reaction is taking place in vapor phase, then A of A plus B of B gives you C of C. So rate of chemical reaction, then it is written as Kp, and Kp will be equals to pressure due to C into raised to the power C, pressure due to D raised to the power D upon pressure due to A raised to the power A, pressure due to B raised to the power B. Pressure due to C raised to the power C, pressure due to D raised to the power D, pressure due to A raised to the power A, pressure due to B raised to the power B. And that is written as Kc. And for liquid phase, for solutions phase, for solution phase, which what will be there? Kc will be concentration of C raised to the power C, concentration of D raised to the power D upon concentration of A raised to the power A, concentration of B raised to the power B. Relation between Kp and Kc. Let us take Kc. Concentration of C raised to the power C, concentration of D raised to the power D, upon concentration of A raised to the power A, and concentration of B raised to the power B. Concentration of A, number of moles of A upon volume, as I told you, we use PV equals to NaRT equation, ideal gas equation. Na upon A, Na upon B will be equals to P upon RT. Similarly, concentration of B will be equals to Pb to the power Pb upon RT. Concentration of C, Pc, and concentration of B, Pd upon RT. Substituting In above equation, Kc equals to Pc upon Rt to the power C, Pd upon Rt to the power D, Pa upon Rt to the power A, Pb upon Rt to the power B. That is Pc raised to the power C, Pd raised to the power B, Pa raised to the power A, Pb raised to the power B. 1 upon Rt to the power C plus D minus A plus B. AC PC to the power C. This thing can be reduced to AP 1 upon RT to the power delta n, where delta n equals to C plus D minus A plus B. Where delta n equals to C plus D minus A plus B. Now, Kc equals to Kp 1 upon Rt to the power delta n. That is Kp upon Rt to the power delta n. Kp equals to Kc Rt to the power delta n. Now let us see. Tell you. For equation H2 plus I2 gives you twice Hi. Delta n equals to 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. So Kp will be equal to Kc. If I take another equation, twice SO3 gives you twice SO2 plus O2. Delta n is 2 plus 1 minus 2 equals to 1. Kc equals to Kp Rt to the, Kp equals to Kc Rt to the power 1. That means Kp is greater than Kc in this condition. Again, if I take N2 plus 3H2 gives you twice NH3. Delta n is 2 minus 1 plus 3, that is minus 2. So Kp equals to Kc Rt to the power minus 2, Kc Rt to the power 2. That means Kp is less than Kc. These are the three predominating conditions. So I hope you have got it. If you really learn something, please give me like. like my video on YouTube channel and like my session. You can also join free live classes at Unacademy app. So